I hereby declare the IPPF General Assembly open. Thank you.
From your ground-shaking alliances with sex workers, for your fierce solidarity with transgender and gender-diverse persons, for your insistent delivery of safe abortion, for your constant delivery of contraception and comprehensive sexuality education, for all of us whom you embrace, for how you embrace yourselves across class, gender, language, racialized identity, younger, older, disabled, Indigenous, the MAs who make up IPPF even face down genocide.
Equality for all.
Youth representatives already have concrete ideas from rethinking and rebranding comprehensive sexuality education curricula.
IPPF's work is more essential today than ever before, not only because many challenges persist, but also because there is a huge pushback against what has been already achieved. The backlash on sexual and reproductive health and rights is part of a bigger political agenda to undermine human rights, democracy, sustainable development. We are living through a very dangerous time of democratic backsliding and rising populist authoritarianism, which favor misogyny and bigotry. I know you will not throw in your towel, nor will we in the human rights movement. Together, we can make a difference. But first and foremost, we must make the right for the fight to health, to love, to sexual identity and expression into a fight for human rights, universal, indivisible, and interdependent.
We are bolder, that we are louder, that we are closer to the young women and girls. We are closer to the unmarried women, to the survivors of gender-based violence, to the sex workers, closer to the LGBTQI people and to other excluded and criminalized communities. We are closer than we were to those that we need to be walking alongside. So yes, Martha, yes, Darren, we are the fire.
I can make a world a better place, and I believe together we can. Together through our shared values, our shared humanity, a world where SRHR is protected, dignity is promoted. Let's lead with love and care with courage.
Stand together.
Grow together.
We blend the Balinese tradition.
May all be successful.
The official opening of the Come Together Marketplace.
1, 2, 3. Yesterday, you were absolutely extraordinary.
Where should we take risks?
You want to influence what IPPF should do the next 3 years? Okay, now you have the opportunity.
And the participation that you gifted to IPPF was really beyond any expectation. The starting point was with the extraordinary contribution from the Youth Assembly.
Welcome. You form everybody, yay!
Jóvenes bien especial.
Contribution from the Youth Assembly. And I want to thank Jack again for presenting those messages so well. The Board of Trustees has listened very carefully.
Alive.
processes already.
Young generation.
I just want to
Levanten el pulgar.
The Board of Trustees, the General Assembly, to thank you for your leadership.
Feel like IPPF has become my family.
Kommer från Norge.
And learning a lot of
Working very hard.
Very happy.
And an honor.
San Diego and California.
I'm from Suriname.
Planning Association of India.
À l'âge de 12 ans.
They have had our back.
This is English.
C'est du français.
Esto es español.
هي اللغة العربية.
Swadika! Hola, soy Teresa.
Agdevo Senegal.
Welcome.
Talk to people you don't know. Get to know people beyond your region, beyond your language group, beyond your age group, beyond what you know, because the gift of talent and contribution here is without compare.
First, guidance without judgment, always with generosity and empathy. And I want to thank you personally for that, for being by my side in difficult moments, for your timely words and your warmth.
You've guided the Federation both through changes and challenges, so thank you very much.
Something from all of us.
They want to appreciate you by giving you a gift each.
My name is Kate Gilmore. I've had the great honour of being chair of the Board of Trustees for International Planned Parenthood Federation, but the brilliant experience of being chair of the General Assembly of IPPF for 2025. We've had 3 days of moving, challenging, earth-shaking conversation, debate, discussion and decision-making. We have elected new members to the Nominations and Governance Committee, which preserves our integrity. We have passed a Charter of Values. The first time in over 70 years, we have put our beliefs on paper and said, this is what we stand for, and we did it unanimously. We made a statement. This is where we must push harder, better, faster for sexual and reproductive health, rights and justice.